Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F4. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Next, you can enter gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And then we've got public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.